Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Stress, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, is the video off?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'm turning it on.
Okay. Uh, my video and audio both are clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay. So I got a very good platform, this one, for the time being only. After that, it will be improved, as your parents are saying. It later on it will be improved, but for the time being, okay. So little bit you have to manage with me and just
No problem.
wait and
No problem.
okay. So you told me that you have to start from the first chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Don't you use this one, this Bluetooth and any device?
Ma'am, I have one. Shall I connect it?
It will be better because you can feel like some extra sound also and voice can be moving. You can use it better. It will be better.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. But keep your video on because it makes the interaction very clear. Okay. So keep the video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, so I would like to start from the basics for this new chapter also. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
number system. The very first chapter is number system. The first thing I would like to say, when mathematics start, it starts from zero, isn't it? It starts from zero, and it goes for numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and so on, isn't it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
at the level of standard 9 also, we have to start from the numbers, because without getting the idea of numbers, we can't understand mathematics. There is no mathematics other than numbers. Okay. So let's start
Yes, ma'am.
with the numbers. So just for idea, I would like to know whether you have the definitions or other things clear or not. What are the natural numbers?
Natural numbers are the numbers which start from 1 and go up till infinity.
All the counting numbers are natural numbers. Okay, before this, I would like to ask, can you tell me what are digits? Digits?
Ma'am,
Digits.
digits are 1 to 9. 1 to 9 are digits.
Yeah, that is good, but what are digits? What is a digit and a number? What is the difference between a digit and number? If you understand, you can tell me in your own language, in your own sentences.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, digit makes numbers.
Please repeat.
Ma'am, if we digits only make numbers, ma'am. By using
No,
digits
no,
only,
no, no, no,
numbers.
no, no. Just listen. Actually, digits are the symbols. Digits are the styles or symbols. Digits are the styles or symbols to write the numbers. Got it?
Yes,
What I
ma'am.
said? Digits are the styles or symbols to write numbers. Because numbers are infinite, we can't use infinite digits. Digits are only from 0 to 9, but we can write infinite, uncountable number of numbers, isn't it? So this is the difference. Digits are styles only. How we write 0, how we write 1, how we write 2. That is the very basic thing, just for your understanding, to check your understanding, I wanted to ask, because this is taught in standard 6 only, so don't worry. Okay, so natural numbers are done. What are whole numbers?
Whole numbers, they start from 0. They contain 0 and they go up till infinity.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, yeah. And what are integers?
And integers, they contain all the positive as well as negative numbers.
Yeah, very good. You would have studied in the previous classes number line also, isn't it? There in the middle we indicate zero, on the right side we indicate positive numbers, on the
Yes,
right, on the left side we indicate negative numbers, and
negative numbers.
collectively all these numbers are called integers, isn't it? These are
Yes,
in the form of whole number, but it contains on the right side positive, on the left side it is containing negative, and collectively integers. Okay. So all the things, it is clear to you. The next thing is rational number. What is rational number?
rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q on the
Yeah, very good.
and where both P and Q are integers and Q is not equal
Hmm.
to 0.
Yeah, this is the main condition you have to clarify, because if we
Yes,
say that P and Q both are integers, then Q also will be integer and 0 also is an integer. But if we divide any number by 0, P by Q means what? P is being divided by Q. So if we put 0 at the place of Q, it means what? 0 will be written in the denominator form, and it means it will be dividing the numerator one. Okay, and 0 cannot divide any number. but 0 can be divided by any number. So while defining rational number, this is must you have to clarify that q must not be equal to 0. Okay, q must not be equal to 0. So I think you don't need to write all the definitions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is done, no? So better we start at the point. We have to find out some or more rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, if we are given to find out one or more rational numbers to find out, then how will we write? Suppose I'm setting the whiteboard. Okay, is it clear? Can you show this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I was saying, if we have to find, suppose I am giving 2 and 3, one rational number. If we have to find out one rational number between 2 and 3, then how will we find?
Ma'am, we can find ma'am by using ma'am by first of all we have to like 2 by 1 and 3 by 1 we will take, so we will make them like a fraction,
Uh,
and then
Little bit, no. Just listen to me. Actually, the thing is like an arithmetic mean. We have simply to find out an arithmetic mean. Just listen. If we are given to find only one rational number, this is one. If we are given to find out one rational number, then simply whatever the numbers are given, it doesn't matter they are decimal numbers, they are whole numbers, they are rational numbers, they are this one and that one, whatever is there, it doesn't matter what is here and here. If we have to find one rational number between A and B, then simply we will do A plus B divided by 2. Okay, simply if we are given to find out one rational number between A and B, whatever can the A and B can have the value, it doesn't matter, then simply A plus B divided by 2. Can you see the board now?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. So on the basis of this, just tell me what is the one rational number between 2 and 3?
ma'am. 2.5.
Yeah. 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 2.5, isn't it? But
Yes,
simply
ma'am.
it is said like 5 by 2. Okay, both are same. These both are same. But we will prefer to say 5 by 2. Why? Because we are discussing about rational number. So we have to write in terms of rational number only. Got it?
Yes,
We have not to go
yes,
for
ma'am.
decimal. Why should we go to decimal? We are discussing about rational numbers. Okay. So simply we will write down 5 by 2. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, when we are given to find out n rational numbers between A and B, what we will do when we have to find out n rational numbers between A and B? This thing also is taught in standard 8 also. I think 6 and 8 both in both the classes this is taught. When to find we are given to find out one rational number and n rational numbers also. So tell me regarding this, when we have to find out n rational numbers between A and B, where A and B are rational numbers and n also is simply a number. Are you able to write on the whiteboard?
Ma'am, I
Try to write. I think you also can write there. Let's try something.
Where is the whiteboard option now?
Uh, can you see the whiteboard I'm sharing?
Yes, ma'am, I can see that.
So on that page only you have to write. Like I'm writing, you also can write.
No, ma'am, I cannot right now.
Oh, you cannot write. Oh, it means
No,
from
ma'am.
my side only it can be written. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let's try to.
I can't write.
Okay, you cannot. You can't write, no?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, okay. So do you have some idea regarding this question? Tell me anything if you have.
Ma'am, we have to find like any number of rational number between.
Yeah, yeah. Suppose I want to give you example.
No,
Find
no,
it
ma'am.
two. Find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. Find three rational
Uh,
numbers. 3.
ma'am,
Okay, 4. 4 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Find 4 rational numbers between 2 and 3.
I know only that one number, ma'am.
You can write on your paper also and you can show me.
Okay, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
want to see the method. I want to see the method what you have learned. Because many methods are
okay,
there to solve this question.
okay, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, I can just write on the paper and show you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want to see.
Okay, ma'am. Four, four, rational. Yes. Oh, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, four rational number, right?
Yeah, four rational numbers are there.
Sorry, ma'am, I found three rational. 1 minute. Four rational. Yes, ma'am, done. Ma'am, 11 by 5. Ma'am, shall I show you?
Show me the page. You can share
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your side also.
Ma'am,
You can share from
like,
your side also.
no, ma'am, I can't see.
Just there you can see share option is there. Just look at the downward part. There is share option is there.
Ma'am, I can just see it. I can't edit it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I can just show you like
Just
this.
just
Ma'am,
how can I see then? I can't see it. Just put your camera back and show me to the copy.
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, this is not clearly visible to me. Okay, but I can understand what you have done. Okay,
Yes,
just leave
ma'am.
it. Okay, okay. Now I'm again sharing the whiteboard. So, can you see this?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the
Can you see the
whiteboard.
whiteboard again?
No, ma'am, I can't see the whiteboard.
My, I'm sharing again.
Okay.
Done?
No, ma'am, I can't see.
What is this happening? Is it?
No, ma'am, I can't see.
Can you see?
No, ma'am.
You can't see the video. You can't see the whiteboard.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, I can't see.
Is it?
Ma'am, 1 minute, let me rejoin. Yes, ma'am, now I can see.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question, what did I ask? That four rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have to do? First, this is the first one, this is the second one. So from the second one, we will subtract 2 and from the second one, we will subtract the first one. After that, we will divide by this one plus 1. This one plus 1. Isn't it? This is 1 by 5. Isn't it? This is 1 by 5. Now, what I have to do? Now, I'm starting at the next page, 2 and 3. So,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will start from 2 plus 1 by 5, 2 plus 1 by 5 into 2, 2 plus 1 by 5 into 3, 2 plus 1 by 5 into 4. Okay, we had to find 4 rational numbers, no? So this one will be 2 plus 1, 1 by 5, yani 10, 11 by 5, 11 by 5, and this is 12 by 5, and this is 13 by 5, and this is 13 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see in this kind of method, I have found a fixed number gaps. We had to 4 rational numbers, this one, this one, this one, this one. That is lying exactly between 2 and 3. Isn't it? That is lying exactly between 2 and 3. Now, okay. Just tell me, what should come just before this? If this is 5,
10
then
by
what
5.
will be should be the 10 by 5? And what is the meaning of 10 by 5?
Ma'am, 2.
Yeah. The meaning of 10 by 5 is 2.
2.
Okay. What should come after this? If there is a gap of 1, 1, 1, 1, so just before this it became 10 by 5, then what should be just after this? 14 by 5.
Ma'am, 15 by 5, which is 3.
This next one will be 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. Okay, and my question was, what are the 4 rational numbers exactly between 2 and 3? So before this 2 is there, after this 3 is there, and these 4 are lying just between 2 and 3. Got it? And they are having the fixed gap. One thing before this I would like to tell you, that for this thing many kinds of methods are there, because simple thing is there, between two rational numbers infinite rational numbers are there, because there is a gap of 1. Number line, when we prepare the number line, 2 and 3 means what? When we put 2 and 3, then there is such a big gap, isn't it? There is such a big gap, and this is indicating a line segment, isn't it? This is indicating a line segment, and line segment or line is formed of infinite points, and each and every that point is indicating for a number, isn't it? All those infinite points are indicating for a number. It means what? Between any two rational numbers, between any two numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. But many more, so for this we can find out by many other methods. But what happens? No, you will find out other answer, other student will find out other answer, and in that case, students get confused. Why? Because they will think that whether my answer is correct or my friend's answer is correct. So like this kind of conditions occur. That's why this is the method in which we find the fixed gap. Whatever the rational numbers we have to find out, we will find out. Okay, from the basis of this. So is it clear to you? Now I will write down the method what I have told you. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So n rational number between A and B. Okay. N rational number between A and B. Steps. What we have to find out the steps? D. We have to find out D. Okay. D, that is B minus A divided by N plus 1. Okay, first we have to find out D, that is the common difference. Okay, that is the general or common difference. We have to find out D, that is B minus A divided by N plus 1. In the step 2, what we will do? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and it will go up to A plus ND. I gave you 4. Suppose sometimes in the question it is given 16 rational numbers. Then you have to go up to 16 like this. Okay. I think you should write down this one. This is very important part. In rational numbers between A and B. This is the important part. Write it down.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. So I give you one question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Wait. Question. Rational number between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3.
Okay.
From this, okay, this whiteboard. I am excluding from this whiteboard. Written the question?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, written. Sorry.
Written the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the option to send me anything or share me anything from your side? Do you show any are you being shown any option to share or send me anything?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a share button, but it is showing gray. That's not usable.
I think you should try at least once more.
No, ma'am. You don't have presenter access. It is showing like you don't have presenter access. Ma'am, ma'am, when there is a fraction in the numerator, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Please repeat what you was.
ma'am, when there is a fraction in the numerator,
Mm-hmm.
so ma'am, what can we do to uh,
Okay,
make it?
I think you are getting problem in finding out D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me tell you. Well, so the thing is, first we have to find out D, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the thing is, this is B, this is A, and this is M. Okay, so it
Yes.
doesn't matter whatever is there, simply 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, and this is totally divided by 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. What happens? First we will solve this one. First we will solve this one. You can see the whiteboard, no?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Okay. So what will be the value here? 1 by
Ma'am,
6.
yes, ma'am. 1/6.
This is 1 by 6. And here also 6. In this case, this numerator comes to this place. It means this will be 1 by 36.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you please, ma'am, you multiplied by 6.
No, no, no. Actually, on the numerator it came 1 by 6. And then it is
Yes, ma'am.
totally divided by 6. Then this numerator comes to the downward part. Isn't it?
So then it
It
gets
becomes
multiplied.
1. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay,
Denominator gets multiplied by the denominator.
okay,
It
understood.
becomes like 1 by 6 of 1 by 6. Do you understand what I'm saying? It becomes like 1 by 6 of 1 by 6. This is the meaning 1 by 6 of 1 by 6. So of means what?
Yes,
Multiplication. And 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 6, it means 1 by 36. This is a very basic thing.
okay, okay. Ma'am, so this A plus B will be the same value as A which we took earlier, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, this 1/2 which we took
Please.
as A will be.
Yeah. On the previous page, I make you write down, no? This is N, this 5 is N, 1 by 2 is A, and 2 by 3 is B. So on the basis
B.
of this,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will write down the formula of common difference, that is D. And the formula is D equals B minus A. The first one will be subtracted by the second one. Okay. And we have to consider like the second one should be greater, isn't it? We have to make it clear that second one should be greater. So
Yes, ma'am.
B minus A divided by N plus 1.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've got five maximum.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answers?
Ma'am, 19 by 36, 38 by 36, 57 by 36, 76 by 36, and 95 by 36.
Mm, no, 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 no. You did something wrong. Uh, I think you didn't get the that last page what I told you to write. What is written there? First we have D. And what is the meaning of D? The two numbers, what is, so the first one will be considered as A and the second one is considered as there. That one I solved it also. And the whatever the number of rational numbers you are given, that is considered as N. That is the thing. After that, what we have to do? I think I wrote here. Yeah, look at here. Look here. This is D. Okay. Now, you are given five rational numbers, no? So, you will do A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Okay. Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And first one, A is 1 by 2 here. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 36, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 36, and keep in mind that you have not to divide 2 by 36. It can be 1 by 18, but you have not to divide. Okay. The next one is A 1 by 2 plus 3 by 36, 1 by 2 plus 4 by 36, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 36. Whenever it is divisible, you have not to divide. You have simply to find out the LCMs. Okay, let me write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 36. This is A and this is D. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 36. But you have not to divide this. Okay, simply you have to find out. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 36. Again here it is divisible, but we have not to divide. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 36. Okay, whatever the fixed gaps you are finding, but you have not to divide. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 36. Okay, now you have to find out the values. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find out and then tell me. And do it little bit faster.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you told me by 36 lastly.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
The last answer you told me 25 by 36 or 95 by 36.
Ma'am, 95 by 36.
Oh, then I heard right. No.
Ma'am, I put 19. Ma'am, shall I tell the answer?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, 19 by 36, 20 by 36,
Yeah.
21 by 36, 22 by 36, and 23 by 36.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it is correct. This is 19 by 36. You can see the whiteboard, no? This is 20 by
Yes, ma'am.
36. Okay, this is 36. This is 21 by 36. This is 22 by 36. This is 23 by 36. Now you can see the fixed gap, isn't it? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, isn't it? If I ask what should come just before this 19 by 36?
Ma'am, 18 by 36.
Yeah, and 18 by 36 means 1 by 2, isn't it?
1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes.
Yeah, and what should come just after this?
Ma'am, 24 by 36.
Yeah, and it means 2 by 3. Got it? And in
Yes.
the question we were having, we have to find out 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. It means by this method we got the fixed gap between all the rational numbers, isn't it? And we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
keep in mind that after finding the answer, you can divide it. If it is divisible, after finding the answer, we can divide. Okay, but while doing the process, we won't divide because we have to show the fixed gap, isn't it? To make it understand better, while giving the final answer, we can do it simplify. Otherwise, we won't do. Simple thing is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for the homework, I would like to give you one more question I would like to give you. Solution you will send me on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay,
Write
ma'am.
down.
Okay, ma'am.
What should I give you? Six rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. This is a question I am giving you. 6 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3.
Okay.
Wrote it?
Yes, ma'am.
You will solve the question as a homework. Okay. You have to practice it importantly. Okay. And must think that this is the question that comes in the examinations. That's why I am focusing this too much. Okay.
Okay.
And it contains at least 3 marks. So you have to do it properly. So this will be the question for homework. Now, we have to move forward for the next topic, that is irrational number. But before that, you tell me which book you are trying to solve, which book you are preferring. Mainly for CBSE, NCRT books are given, but what are you solving any other book?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I do some random questions from net. Something.
Okay. So do you have the NCRT book or physically or
Yes, ma'am, I have.
in online? Okay. So do you want to solve any book, no?
Ma'am, we can
Do
do.
you
Ma'am, it's not
do you
compulsory.
want to? Oh, it's not compulsory. You just want to make the concepts clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Actually, I wanted if you are following any book, then you have to go with the exercises and other things. You have not to do.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Then this is the question for homework. You wrote it down, no? You will send me on the WhatsApp.
Yes,
Anytime you can
yes,
send
ma'am.
before the class. I will check it. Uh, the next thing, irrational number. Irrational number. Do you have any idea regarding irrational number? We studied just rational number and just opposite of it, irrational numbers are there. Then what are the irrational numbers?
Which can't
Some
be
top.
in the form of PYQ.
Hmm. Something else?
Uh, Example I can give.
Yeah. Give me some examples.
Ma'am, root 3.
Okay. Why didn't you say root 2?
Ma'am, root 2 can also be known.
Yeah. Root 2 is the first one. Root 3 comes next, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen to me carefully. The basic idea of a rational number. This is just opposite of rational number. Just opposite. One thing. In case of irrational numbers, first of all, it cannot be written in the form of p by q. है ना? It cannot be written in the form of p by q. The second thing is, when irrational numbers are written in in p by q form, sometimes it is written, then the decimal expansion is never terminated, or it goes up to infinity. It never gets stopped. Okay. So irrational numbers are like that. If we come to examples, then what can be the examples of irrational numbers? Then first of all, the square roots of non-square numbers. The square roots of non-square numbers. Just listen to me carefully what I am saying. Square roots of non-square numbers. Right
Yes,
before
ma'am.
I asked you, why didn't you say root 2? Why didn't you say
Yes,
root
ma'am.
2? Because numbers start from 1. 1 is a square number. 1 square equals 1. But 2 is not a perfect square number. 2 is
Yes,
not a
ma'am.
perfect square number. Okay? So, root 2 will be irrational number. Root 2 will be irrational number. Next thing is root 3. Why root 3? Because 3 is not a square number. 3 is not a square number. Then root 3 will be irrational number. When we come to
Yes, ma'am.
4, then 4 is a square number, because this is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
square of an integer. This is a square of an integer, that is 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. That's why root
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
it means 2 is not an irrational number. Got it? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
type of things are there. It means what? It starts from, if we go to squares, then root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11, like this it goes on. We will go only for the non-square numbers, and the square roots of non-square numbers are irrational numbers. Simple thing is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Next things are cube roots. Cube roots. What can be the examples of irrational numbers? Root 3. Sorry, cube roots. I was discussing, no? Then, in case of cube roots also, the same thing applies. Same thing means what? The cube roots of non-cubes numbers. Non-cubes means what? 1 is a cube number. 1 is a
Yes,
cube number. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 gives 1. Okay? After that, 8 is the cube number. After that, 27 is the cube number. After that, 64 is the cube number. Apart from all these numbers, which are non-cubes, then the cube roots of those non-cube roots, like cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 4, cube 5, 6, 7, but not 8.
Yes, yes.
Then then what? 9 also, cube root of 9, cube root of 10, 11, 12, and it will go up to 26, but not 27, isn't it? So this kind of things happens with irrational numbers. Got it?
Yes.
Now, the thing is, same thing happens for fourth root also, same thing happens for fifth root also. So like this it goes on, but we have not to go too far because you are the student of standard 9, so we have not to go too far. Just we go up to square roots and cube roots. That is enough. Even we go up to square roots only, that is enough. The next thing is properties. Properties of irrational numbers. This is very important thing. Properties of irrational numbers. What are the properties of irrational numbers? When we add a rational and irrational number, when we add a rational and an irrational number, wait, I write, can you understand? Sum, difference, sum, difference, multiplication, division. Sum, difference, multiplication, division. Isn't it? Of a rational and an irrational. Irrational is, इस पे अच्छी rating हो ही नहीं पाती, is always irrational. Sorry, I am writing very badly.
Mama, I can understand.
Can you read it?
Yes, Mama, I can.
Okay. Sum, difference, multiplication, division of a rational and an irrational number. Just take the point what I am focusing about. Rational and irrational. Sum, difference, multiplication, division. In all these four operations, the result is always irrational. Isn't it? The result is always irrational. I give you the example. Suppose I write 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. 2 is rational, root 3 is irrational. Then when we take combined 2 plus root 3, that will be irrational. Suppose I take 2 minus root 3. One rational, one irrational, but both are subtracted. In that case, 2 minus root 3 is also irrational. Okay. 2 and root 3, multiplication, 2 root 3, isn't it? 2 root 3, that also will be irrational. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, that also becomes irrational, isn't it? Let me write down. 2 plus root 3, addition, 2 minus root 3, subtraction, 2 root 3. This is also irrational. 2 divided by root 3. These all are irrational. Got it? This is very important property. Okay. One more thing is there. when we are given to find out one irrational numbers, one irrational number between A and B, then in that case what we do? Under root A multiplied B. You have to note it down. Sorry. One irrational number, if you are given to find out between any two numbers, whether A or B should be rational, irrational, it doesn't matter. But whatever it is given, then simply we will do under root A multiplied by B.
Yes, ma'am. Well done.
Okay. So suppose it is given one irrational number between 2 and 3, then what we will write down? One irrational number between 2 and 3.
Ma'am, 3 into 2, which is 6, root 6.
Yeah, you got it right. Between 2 and 3, the irrational number is root 6. That comes from under root 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. So, the next topic is lengthy. We have to discuss more about that. So, we stop it today here. Okay. Let
Yes,
me. You wrote down, no? Whatever I said to write down.
yes, ma'am. I wrote.
Okay. And one question also I gave you, that you will send me tomorrow anytime, whenever you will be done, or anytime you will send on the WhatsApp. Okay. So I think
Yes,
I
ma'am.
should finish the class. The time also is over. Do you want to say or ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Should I exit the class?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye then.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.